Hi, folks. Stu Finer, ready to rock and roll with winning action for Friday, September 21st. Well, it wasn't the Thursday I was looking for, obviously. Early, the New York Giants piss all over the Carolina Panthers and dominate them wire to wire to wire so easily it was like stealing fucking money, and that was without four of the Giants' main starters, and the game went under the total. Then late, BYU pisses all over Boise State, wearing the Boise State jersey, holding them to 0 offensive touchdowns. But both teams were so inept that game went under the total. Our lone winner was in Major League Baseball as the Kansas City Royals get it done in the bottom of the ninth inning against the Chicago White Sox. So we won with a private play on BYU, and we won with a best bet on the Kansas City Royals. 2-3 is not what I was hoping for. Now today will be one of the biggest days of my life, of my career. I have upgraded the Boston Red Sox Baltimore Oriole matchup at Fenway Park to a human fucking lock. A game of the year. A rout, a burial. You make the biggest bet of your life on my private play on the internet site. I posted it early, otherwise it would be a personal play. It would be as strong as I have it on the Boston Red Sox Baltimore Oriole winner. Plus, I have a high roller in Major League Baseball that I absolutely fucking love, and I have a 100-time winner in Major League Baseball that I absolutely fucking love. Now listen, take note of my Major League Baseball, because on my top plays, I am 16-3, 16-3, 16-3, and I'm coming off a 6-0, 6-0, 6-0 sweep 2 days ago. Now listen, all my football is up for the weekend. Everything is up, especially on Saturday, where I'm now coming with my personal play, which is going to be my best bet of the day, unequivocally, on Saturday, 3 o'clock Eastern, and that is the winner of Georgia Tech, Miami of Florida. This game is a human lock, a burial, a blowout. I'm selling it for only $4,999. Only $4,999. So take advantage of this very low price point on a personal play. You know my personal plays the entire year have been charging anywhere between $10,000 to $50,000 per game. I lowered the rate so everybody can take advantage of this human fucking lock. Then I have 2 personal plays Saturday night that you could bet every fucking thing you own on. We started off with a high roller winner at 12:30 Eastern on Saturday, and a 100-time winner also on Saturday night. Then we have our Vegas games, where everybody's either going to be betting a 14 parlay that pays 10-1, or you're going to press your money every time that pays 16-1. And those games start off at 3:30 Eastern. Then it goes Saturday night, 8 o'clock Eastern. Then we go Sunday at 1 o'clock and Sunday night, which will culminate with the winner of Baltimore and New England. Call me for my personal Vegas package on my private cell, 516-698-8870, 516-698-8870. On the video blog, I discuss how amazing Eli Manning has become and how amazing Tom Coughlin is as a coach, especially on the road. On my free pick phone right now, we have college football tonight. College football tonight. Baylor travels to UL Monroe. Now, UL Monroe has normally been horse shit, almost a Division I AA football team, but after upsetting Arkansas and playing Auburn into overtime, they have some juice and sizzle. Obviously, they're not the team Baylor is, but they can beat Baylor tonight. There's no issue about it. Baylor is a 7-point favorite on the road, bet down from 8 to 7.5. There's money on both sides of this game. I want to give you the edge. I want to give you the winner, and I'll give it to you absolutely free on the free pick phone. 800-982-2211. College football tonight. Baylor, UL Monroe. Free on the free pick phone on a recorded message. 800-982-2211. 800-982-2211. Let's rock and roll. Let's score out. I love you. God bless you. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.